Y'all look at this shit. This is a fox sitting on top of somebody's fucking car, y'all. A baby fox sitting on top of somebody's car, man. This shit crazy. Man, get your little stupid ass down, man. Yo half dog looking ass, boy. Get your retarded ass off them people car, man. You ain't no goddamn baby. Then hop your goo. Get down. Get your stupid ass down. Get the fuck. Get your stupid ass down.
He really chilling.
Get your ass down.
Where'd he go?
There you go.
He must be scared or looking for his mom.
Blow the horn back, see if he move. Boy, get your fake kangaroo looking ass on somewhere. Miniature deer looking ass. Fake kangaroo looking ass.